Bullish Dogecoin cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 43 cents and 94 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept Doge could reach 43 cents by 2025. Bearish Dogecoin market cost expectation for 2022 is 7 cents. Dogecoin presentation. Programming designers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer concocted the thought for Dogecoin, otherwise called Doge, as a joke in light of the then widespread digital currency hypothesis. It is viewed as the first image coin and the first canine coin, all the more explicitly. Notwithstanding being snide, certain individuals view it as a feasible monetary open door. The Shiba Inu canine's face from the Doge image fills in as Dogecoin's seal and namesake. Following its send-off on December 6, 2013, it quickly settled its internet-based local area. By May 5, 2021, had a market capitalization of more than $85 billion. It presently fills in as Watford's only sleeve support in the Chief Association. Kindly note that the forecasts recorded underneath are expected to give general data and ought not be viewed as venture counsel. We suggest talking with experts first prior to making any Dogecoin ventures. Anyway, we should plunge into this blog entry to find out more, will we? What is Dogecoin? Distributed, open-source digital currency Dogecoin works over the web. It is viewed as an elective cash and an amusing image coin. A representation of a Shiba Inu canine fills in as Dogecoin's logo, which was presented in December 2013. Despite the fact that it was at first imagined as a joke, Dogecoin has filled in prominence. At the point when the digital currency bubble burst in late 2017, it drove a few coins' qualities a lot higher. When a center of allies actually exchanged Dogecoin and used it to tip for content on Twitter and Reddit, despite the fact that it lost quite a bit of its worth after the air pocket burst in 2018. On internet-based trades for advanced monetary standards, clients can buy and sell Dogecoin. Likewise, they can choose whether to keep their Dogecoin in a wallet or on a trade. Since there is a cap on the all-out number of coins that might be given, cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin are deflationary. However, Dogecoin is an inflationary coin. This is on the grounds that the quantity of Bitcoins delivered into course as mining rewards is divided at regular intervals, and until all coins are given, so is the expansion rate. Dogecoin central examination. Its memorables basic that dissimilar to on account of the financial exchange. Most digital currencies are projects as opposed to organization. In this manner, you can assess regardless of whether a digital money is worth the effort by leading a proper crucial examination and taking into account all the data accessible about the undertaking. Central examination is worried about deciding a resource's natural worth. For instance, you can decide whether a digital money is exaggerated or underestimated by thinking about different inner and outside components. For Dogecoin, there are various offers. The way that it isn't covered makes the offer increment. The benefits of supporting the organization are recognized all through the entire mining biological system. There is currently no rush toward an affirmed hard cap. This settles the organization's possibilities for what's in store. Therefore, Dogecoin's worth can rise, further guaranteeing biological system development, in spite of the fact that its origin was set apart by specialists and content makers tipping each other. It has developed into a completely utilitarian money that can be utilized for ordinary consumptions. To keep up with the usefulness of the biological system, more Dogecoin can undoubtedly be gained. Dogecoin use is anticipated to grow by over 5% every year, which will build the money's worth. Dogecoin current cost. Dogecoin is presently worth 9 cents USD. Doge has moved 2.04% as of now with an exchanging volume of $525,975,364. Dogecoin is presently positioned 8 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $13,299,171,152 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination to similarity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Dogecoin to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Dogecoin value expectation 2022. Dogecoin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The Doge cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to 14 cents. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 13 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is doable soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. Doge is supposed to have a base worth of 11 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2023. In 2023, Dogecoin Doge cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Doge will before long outperform 24 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the Doge general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Doge will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 19 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 21 cents. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 33 cents and Doge might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Doge is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 30 cents and a low of 28 cents in 2024. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Dogecoin effectively supports market feeling among digital currency fans, the Dogecoin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Doge will be green in 2025. The Doge is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 43 cents, with a base cost of 38 cents and a typical cost of 40 cents. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Doge cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 50 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 48 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Doge has a most extreme value worth of 53 cents. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 59 cents. In the event that Doge figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of 62 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help Doge needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 57 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2028. While Doge is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 67 cents and a yearly cost close above 72 cents in 2028. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Dogecoin will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 77 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 82 cents, averaging out at 79 cents. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2030. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme Doge cost in 2030 is projected to be 94 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 90 cents. And, as one of the first elective monetary forms, Dogecoin was created as a speedy and quick installment framework in view of the Litecoin blockchain engineering. The task's objective was to construct major areas of strength for a base for an engaging and easy-to-understand Litecoin elective. When Dogecoin started, the possibility of digital forms of money had previously acquired broad acknowledgement, with Bitcoin arriving